Om Shri Sai Ram. Sweet is the shade of the coconut glade and the voice of the mango grove. These lines of Sarojini Naidu come to my mind when I look at this beautiful coconut grove that is right behind the school. Actually, when I used to go on rounds, I used to stop here, not here, 2 floors below, and take some time off and stare at this beautiful place which is there. It is really such a relaxation. Not only this, I think the entire creation is God's way of telling us how much He loves us. But man doesn't seem to have the time to stand and pause and admire this beauty. So this life of ours is often compared to a journey. This is called as a Bhavasagara. And to cross this Bhavasagara means it's not like a swimming pool that we can swim across, right? We need something like a boat. And what is this boat? This physical body is the boat that God has given us. And all of us are born with this body. We can't exchange it like the dress. Suppose you don't like this dress, you can just exchange it for something else. But this physical body is not like that. We have to live with it. So it really makes sense that we maintain it properly. Apart from having a bath and following all the cleanliness routine, it is important that we keep it in a fit condition. So I think during this year, this entire 2020, it has been the case with me, and I'm sure it's the case with all of you, that we spent a lot of time watching the mobile, the laptop, the TV, etc. Earlier my life used to be like, I used to get up, get ready and come to school and see all my lovely students who are like flowers in a garden. But now my routine is, I just get up and I get ready and I stare at my laptop. So this is my routine, and as a result of it, my eyes have got a lot of stress. They've taken in a lot of stress. So for the past 4 months actually, I've been doing some eye exercises, and they have been really very helpful, because last year when I used to look at the laptop even for an hour, my eyes used to get so strained. But after I started doing these exercises, the stress in my eye has definitely come down. And now with the channel coming up, all the more my time, the screen time has increased. So I do it twice a day. So I've been talking a lot during this entire video. So this time I thought, why not for a change? Let me close my mouth and do some exercises. When you watch this entire exercises, it will be really funny. Some of the exercises, the poses will be a little funny. Go ahead and have a hearty laugh, because that is also going to de-stress you. But do these exercises without fail, because I have experienced the benefit that it gives. So let's get started. Come on friends, let's get started. The first thing is, you have to rub your hands like this and generate some heat and keep it over your eyes. It will give your eyes the warmth that it needs, and the darkness will relax your eyes. Next, keep this finger and lift your eyebrows this way. Just push your eyebrows to the edge. Do this thrice. Try and do it along with me now. The next exercise is, you have to pinch yourself. Not very hard. Pinch the eyebrows now, like this. Keep your hands like this and pinch it. Again, this exercise also you have to do it thrice. And all the stress that could have been there, no? Sometimes I just get slight headache. That also goes off with this. The next exercise is, using your ring finger, do circles around your eyes, and third time you just have to press it, okay? See, like this, and slight press. Don't press it too hard. Go all around your eyes like this. Again, this, we'll do 3 circles, okay? So this is the first circle. Next one starts now. The third round. The next exercise is like typing. We all type on the keyboard, right? Like that you have to type around your eyes like this. And this will increase the blood circulation and refresh your eyes nicely. Again, at least some 3 times, 5 times is ideal for this. Just go like this and come reverse. Yeah. Now all the blood flow will be there. The next one is, this is the funniest part. So you have to take these 2 fingers and place it here. Now your eyeball should go up and you should open your mouth and try to stretch this part a bit. It will definitely look funny, but please go ahead. Hold it here, look up and keep your mouth like this. Do this thrice. We have done it once. Hold it like that for some counts. Relax. Let's do it again. You could hold on this pose for 10 counts or 12 counts and then relax. Now I've done it really short. I think I did it for some 4-5 seconds, but you could extend it for some more time. The next one is, keep these 2 fingers like this and try to focus on a point that is little distant from you. Relax. So in this exercise actually you are stretching here and you're trying to narrow your eyes, both the things. So the pressure is there in the eye and this entire skin gets exercised very well. So you're stretching here and now with the help of your eyelids you're trying to bring it like this. So the stretch is there in the skin around your eyes. Yeah, relax. And then the last exercise, one more is there. You have to again stretch and bat your eyelids nicely with force. This is really very relaxing exercise. Yeah. And the last one, again you have to rub your palm and you have to create a vacuum here around your eyes and just pull it like this. So when you pull it, you hear that plop sound and the entire eyes and the whole socket, it just gets pulled out. So it's very relaxing. With the help of your palm, you create a kind of vacuum here and when you pull it out, see, you can hear the plop sound. So you can do this 5 times. Yeah, I'm doing it only thrice now. Definitely you can go ahead and do it 5 times. It is said, eyes are the windows to the soul. Even as I was demonstrating the exercises, I realized that there's so much more to share on vision, on perception, on insight, etc. So, join us by subscribing to the channel and we will share a lot more information in the coming videos about all that. The purple-headed mountains, the rivers running by, the morning and the sunset that brighten up the sky. He gave us eyes to see them and lips that we might tell. How great is God Almighty who has made all things well. Thank you. Jai Sai Ram.